And the morning after with the Vivomove trend. It is still in demo mode, but it's kind of like a combination demo and dev mode because you're not supposed to see all these screens. But I work with a rep and they sent me this reset tool. It's been going on for about 10 minutes, but it could take 20. So we'll see what happens. But I really like the watch and I want to test it. I want to wear it. I want to go running with it. It was a real bummer. Well, not really. I mean, I got to wear the Venue 2 Plus last night to bed, but I didn't wear it to bed. It does detect my heart rate, even in this demo mode, so that's cool. But reset in progress, unplug the device from the computer. Meanwhile, though, we get to play with this cool mode. So there's the white screen, and then that's vibration mode. Test all the colors, and then, yeah, it's this really cool vibrate test. So can you hear that? It's kind of hard to hear. And then here's the software version, CTP test, pass, and then my favorite, if I can scroll. Oh, maybe it's resetting now. It looks like the watch is kind of non-responsive. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look at all those cool stats. Battery temp, charge status, constant voltage, capacity. So neat. And there's the ESN software version. Normally I wouldn't show the ESN, but this one's going back. And then now it allows me to move the hands. And if I scroll, then I can shut it down. So if you get in this mode, if you just hold it down, they'll shut down, but I don't want to do that because I'm trying to reset it. And then there's the ambient light. That's pretty sweet. Then it has this valid mode, local pressure. So this is my heart rate, although it's not really reading it correctly because it's on a wooden desk. And this is my favorite screen that I've been playing with since last night. Accelerometer, magnetometer. We have the X, Y, and Z axis. Current calories, last call. And then I tried playing around with the whole antenna and turning the channel. Even when I enabled the ANT, which is the communication technology that Garmin has used for years, it would not communicate with the phone. I tried connect it to my iPhone 12 mini. It would not, because it's stuck in the demo mode. So if this reset works, I might be in business. Okay, Savannah, we're going on 15 minutes now, still reset in progress. Do not unplug your device from the computer.